Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to group pictures in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Then, go to Insert and click on Pictures if you want to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures if you want to insert an online picture. I will just go ahead and click on Online Pictures and then select the pictures you want to add. Let's select these pictures and then click on Insert. Let's go ahead and redo the steps. Let's select these 3 pictures and click on Insert. Now you can resize the pictures. And here, let's go ahead first and duplicate this slide to show you the 2 ways to group pictures. Then select the pictures and right-click on one of them and click on Group. The second way is to hold the Shift key and select the 3 images and then go to Format and here click on Group and select Group. And that's it. Now you know how to group pictures in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.